How to get songs from Suno AI via phone. The first things first, the application or Suno AI using on your mobile phone is actually under the process of expansioning it. So basically, it's still not yet available globally. But all you have to do if this is already available from the application is just pretty quite easy. So again, just head over to any of the browser from your phone if it is not yet available on the application. Just use your browser. Just so in your browser, just go directly to suno.com, and then in here, you just have to click on make a song. So this is going to be pretty much it that you'll be seeing uh, the same from the browser and from your phone. So all you have to do from here, if you already created a song, then you just have to go directly to your Suno library. So for example, you will be downloading or getting this song that you have created. All you have to do from your phone is just to click these three dots and then just go to that download field and then just choose whether it's going to be an MP3 audio, video, or generate the video. So on your phone, just simply choose on MP3 audio and it will automatically be downloaded on your browser. So that's it. That's how easily you can get songs from Suno AI via phone.